As an adult, your mattress is not just something you sleep on. It is something your body depends on every night. If it is too weak, too thin, or not supportive enough, you may start waking up tired, uncomfortable, or with body pain. So today, let's answer one important question. What mattress thickness is best for adults? Many adults in Nigeria buy mattresses based on three things: price, size, and how the mattress looks. Those things matter, but they are not enough. A mattress can look beautiful outside and still be weak inside. It can have fine fabric and still not support your body properly. It can be cheap today and become expensive later when you have to replace it too soon. That is why adults need to pay attention, thickness, and support. Mattress thickness means how high or deep the mattress is. You may hear 6 inches, 8 inches, 10 inches, 12 inches, or even more, but here is the first thing to remember. Thickness alone does not make a mattress good. Foam quality, density, firmness, finishing, and support all matter. Still, thickness can help you understand whether the mattress is suitable for the way you want to use it. For many adults, 8 inches, 10 inches, and 12 inches are common choices for a regular sleeping. Let's look at them one by one. An 8-inch mattress can be a good choice for many adults if the foam is strong and well made. It is not too low, and it can give enough support for everyday sleep, especially for someone with moderate body weight. A 10-inch mattress gives a fuller feel. Many adults like it because it feels stronger and more balanced. It gives the bed more presence and may support the body better depending on the foam quality. A 12-inch mattress gives more height and may feel more premium. It can be good for adults who want stronger support or prefer a higher bed. A poor quality 12-inch mattress can still sink, lose shape, and fail to support your waist and back. So instead of asking only which one is thickest, ask which one will support my body properly. Now let's talk about body support. When you lie on a good mattress, your body should feel balanced. Your waist should not sink too deeply. Your back should not feel strained. Your shoulders and hips should feel supported. For adults, this is important because bad sleep does not end in the bedroom. It follows you into the day. You wake up tired. You feel body pain. You struggle to focus. You may think it is stress, but sometimes the mattress is part of the problem. If you are buying as a couple, thickness matters even more. Don't only ask, can we both lie down? Also ask, can this mattress support us comfortably every night? If you are buying for an elderly person, comfort and ease of use matter too. A very high mattress on a high bed frame may make climbing difficult, while one that is too low may also be uncomfortable. If you are buying for someone with back or waist discomfort, don't just buy anything because it is cheap. Look for a mattress that gives proper support. The right mattress can help the body rest better, while the wrong one can make discomfort worse. Let's bring it home. For adults, everyday use, 8 inches can work well when the foam quality is good. 10 inches is a strong choice for many adults who want more comfort and support. 12 inches can be good for people who want a higher, fuller, more supportive mattress, as long as the quality is right. But very thin mattresses may be better for children, temporary use, light use, or guest use, not necessarily for every adult sleeping every night. So before you buy, ask these questions. Who will use the mattress? Is it for daily sleep or occasional use? What is the person's body size? Is it for one person or two people? What is the height of the bed frame? Does the mattress give real support or does it just look big? At Winco Foam, we understand that Nigerians use mattresses in different ways. New apartments, children's rooms, marriage, replacing an old sinking mattress, or simply looking for better sleep. That is why our mattress range includes options for everyday comfort, stronger support, family bedrooms, guest rooms, and adult use. You can view available Winco Foam mattresses on www.wincofoam.com. So when you're ready to buy, don't rush. Visit a Winco Foam showroom or go to www.wincofoam.com. Ask questions, check your size, check your thickness. Choose the mattress that fits your body and your home. If this helped, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who needs the right mattress. Until next time, sleep well, live better.